This is Nigerian buns. In this video, I will show you how to make Nigerian buns with simple, easy steps for beginners. And I made this Nigerian buns that is 2 styles using one dough, one easy recipe. Let's begin so that I can show you how it's made. In a clean bowl, add stiff flour. You need to stiff your flour, okay? Add margarine or butter. Mix the margarine with the flour until you achieve a crumbly texture. You want it thoroughly mixed into the dough or into the flour. The next dry ingredient is your baking powder and the salt. Remember, if you are using salted margarine, don't add salt. If you are using unsalted, you can add salt. I added sugar, adding nutmeg. It is very important to use nutmeg while making Nigerian buns, or the taste will be entirely different. Nutmeg gives a very unique fragrance and flavor to your Nigerian buns and keep it authentic. I use 1 medium-sized egg, milk, and water. For the water, don't be in a rush to add all the water quantity needed immediately. It's best to add gradually until the desired dough or texture is formed. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma and this is my channel Ijeomaliving. In this channel, I show you how to make different Nigeria dishes, different Nigeria snacks, forgotten recipes and all that. Feel free to subscribe if you like this recipe or like the recipes on my channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much for sticking to me. Please keep watching. The batter is coming together the right way. Once this batter or dough is ready, you have to keep it aside to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This gives you time to heat up the oil. The first type of bun style I'll be making is the crunchy Nigerian rock hard buns that has crunchy rugged exterior. The secret is dropping the buns in the oil without squeezing it too much. Just scoop and gently drop it. It retains the rough texture when it fries. That is what gives it that rocky exterior. Are you learning it? Are you there? So that is it for the hard buns. Fry until it becomes golden brown. Oh la la, look at how crunchy this buns looks. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Now let's make the smooth version using the same dough. Here is the game-changing secret. Wet your hands with water before handling the batter. The moisture gives and helps smoothen the surface of the buns batter before you scoop it into the hot oil. You squeeze it more than you squeeze the first batter. This gives the exterior of these buns a smoother texture. Do you get it? Wet your hands. Yes, when you wet your hands and scoop the buns batter, it gives a smoother batter in your palm. So when you squeeze it harder than you did for the first one, automatically the batter exterior changes when it's fried. Now you got yourself 2 styles of Nigerian buns using the same Nigerian buns recipe. How about that? Hey stars, did you enjoy the video? We have come to the end of today's Nigerian buns recipe. This video is simplified for beginners and for people who wants to take their buns recipe to the next level. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, and don't forget to take care of yourself. Mwah.